This video is now going to show us how we add a gas system in. We can see here we've got three modular boilers. We want to put a gas system in. So what we do, we go to the insert menu, we then select the gas on the entering ribbon. We then select one of two choices. Continuous allows us to type in a flow rate and a loading unit, or special allows us to type in the kilowatt input. So if each of these boilers was 50 kilowatts, we can put the input in kilowatts. We can put the reference in here, B1 for boiler 1, with our datum level. Place where the burner would be on the boiler. We then have boiler number 2. Place. Right button click to flip it round. And we have boiler number 3. Again, once we've placed our final load, pressing escape cancels the placement of the item, and we kill the command by clicking on the dialog box. Again, it's a case of routing pipework with all the same functionality as the hot and the cold. We go to distribution pipes. We then select our load, establish a pipe run, move to the ceiling, and so we have a gas main position coming in, floor level, move to click with our entry point, where again we have, is this a fourth system, but it's the first of the gas systems. We put our supply pressure in, bearing in mind on the general information we had a minimum operating pressure of 2 kPa. If we want to observe the 100 Pascal pressure drop or the 1 millibar rule, I'll make my supply pressure 2100 pascals. And OK. And then we connect our pipe runs in. Ceiling, move to, double click to connect into the pipe. Ceiling, move to, and I double click, connect into that pipe. Again, display calculate, hot water, cold water, this time it's gas. Again, if you had more than one system, the command line would ask us to select a pipe or appliance associated with the system. Just to prove the 100 pascals calculation as a maximum pressure drop is used, for example, if I take this 42mm pipe, double click on it, change the length and extend that to say 100 meters, this will have the overall effect of increasing the pipe sizes, so that when I calculate for a second time on the gas pipes, those have now increased the pipe sizes to maintain that maximum potential of 100 pascals. If we then go back to the original size, back to the original measured length, calculate gas. So that's how you actually apply a gas system. And if you had cookers or other appliances, you would tack those into that existing system if applicable. And again, all of the various results are available. The schedules are available as a draw off, as pipes with the index runs italicized as the references. And of course, the results of those pipes on that system can be calculated. If you try and check the results of another system that's nothing to do with gas, the program will tell you it doesn't form part of the calculated system. That's cold water. We're looking at gas. So if you've got lots of pipes close to each other, you might have to zoom in to make sure you pick the right and correct pipe. Again, we've got the display results command active. I want to get rid of it. Pressing escape.